Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Tony Blackmon here with Paramount Property Investments. I'm just doing a quick walkthrough and dropping off some keys to put inside the lockbox on this property on Main Avenue in Maston, Ohio. I just helped one of my seller clients close on this property yesterday, last night, matter of fact, and also was able to help a buyer purchase this property for himself. So just wanted to kind of let you guys know what we're doing. For those of you who don't know, I've mentioned before that I do have a license in the state of Ohio to help sellers market and sell their properties. And I can also sell properties to buyers. So it's a nice little brick bungalow, move-in ready. The buyer bought this property using the Ohio finance grant to pay all his closing costs. So he pretty much bought this money with no money down. So for any of you home buyers out there interested in buying properties with very little to no money down and paying less in a mortgage payment than you would in rent per month, definitely give me a call, 330-685-2220. Or if you are a homeowner who maybe you're not in a position to sell your property at a discount to an investor like me, definitely give me a call. We can sell your property. If you're looking for highest and best, you can reach me at 330-685-2220 or just visit the website www.investparamount.com.